Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain test-free mobile app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started with the breakdown and the downside about this platform. So to get started, the test-free app gives you a free US phone number to send text and make calls over Wi-Fi or data. It's easy to set up and you can test anyone even if you don't have the app. It includes voicemail, group messaging, and supports picture messages like MMS. You also get a limited number of free calling minutes with options to earn more by watch ads or calling credit. It's great for people who need a second number for casual use, testing, or temporal purpose. However, the app has some downside. It includes ads and call qualities can sometimes be poor or choppy. Some users also report issues with account recovery or keeping their number active if they don't use it regularly. Despite this, test free is worth it for light, everyday testing or as a backup number. It's best for casual use, not professional or business calls. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this mobile app, which is test free. And that's it.